Place the base on a flat surface at the desired location and remove the screw and washer from the base pole. Insert the pole into the base hole, turn the base on its side, and reinstall the screw and washer. Fill the base with water or sand, making sure the caps are fully closed. Remove the collar at the pole base by turning it to the left. Insert the widest inner ring inside the collar and place the collar back on the base pole by turning it to the right. Do not fully tighten. Fully insert the umbrella pole into the base pole and tighten the collar to the right to properly secure the umbrella pole.